Before you jump into Ghanaian stocks, let's talk fees because those little percentages can really add up. Here's the deal. Every time you trade shares on the GSE, you'll pay your broker a commission usually between 1.75% and 2.5% of your trade value. For most retail investors, expect to see that top-end 2.5% rate. But that's not all. There's also a transaction levy, 0.7% split between the exchange, the Central Securities Depository, the SEC, and the Market Development Fund. Add it up, and a single buy or sell could cost you around 3.2% of your trade. So, if you invest 1,000 CDs, you might see about 968 CDs actually go into shares. Got dividends? There's an 8% withholding tax taken out before you see a PSUA. But here's some good news. Capital gains on GSE-listed stocks are currently tax-free. Quick tip. If you're making bigger trades, ask your broker for a lower commission. And always double-check your contract note for hidden fees. Bottom line, understanding these charges helps you invest smarter and keep more of your returns. Happy investing.